Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 16 measurement in that exercise 16a. Next 17th question, express in meters using decimal notation in that A 50 centimeter. Okay, so here the question is given in centimeter and you have to convert that to meter or express in meter. So you know the relation between centimeter and meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so in order to convert meter to centimeter, just multiply by 100. Okay, meter to centimeter multiply by 100. Centimeter to meter, just divide by 100. Okay, so here the question is given in centimeter, you have to express in meter. So what to do? Divide the given centimeter by 100. Okay, so 50 centimeter, you divide 50 by 100. So what you will get? Division by 100. So move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So here is the decimal point 1, 2 here. Okay, so what you will get? 0.50 meter it is. Okay, 0.50 meter means 0.5 meter. This 0 has no value. 0 is at the right end after decimal. It has no value, so it is 0.5 meter. Okay, so 50 centimeter is 0.5 meter. Next B, 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter. In order to convert centimeter to meter, just divide by 100. So 100 by 100 it is 1. So 1 meter is the answer. Okay. Next C, 125 centimeter. So in order to express centimeter in meter, what to do? Just divide by 100. So 125 by 100, what you will get? The decimal point will move 2 places to the left. So this is 1, 2. Here will be the decimal point. That is 1.25 meter. Okay. Next F, 220 centimeter. In order to convert centimeter to meter, just divide by 100. 220 by 100, what you will get? Division by 100. So decimal point will move 2 places to the left. So this is 1, 2. Here you will get the decimal point. So 2.20. That is 2.2 meter. Okay. Next G, 2110 centimeter. In order to convert centimeter to meter, what to do? Divide by 100. So 2110 by 100. So division by 100, decimal point will move 2 places to the left. So this is 1, 2. You will get 21.10 meter. That is 21.1 meter it is. Okay. Next 18th question, express in centimeter in that A 0.15 meter. So in order to convert meter to centimeter, just multiply by 100. Okay, so here the question is given in meter, you have to convert that to centimeter. So multiply by 100. So 0.15 multiply by 100. What you will get? Multiplication by 100. This decimal point will move 2 places to the right. Okay, so this is 1, 2 here. So 15 centimeter you will get. Okay, next B, 0.05 meter. In order to convert meter to centimeter, just multiply by 100. So 0.05 into 100, what you will get? This decimal point will move 2 places to the right. So this is 1, 2 here. You will get the decimal point. Okay, that is 5 centimeter. Okay, next see 2.75 meter. In order to convert or express meter in centimeter, just multiply by 100. So 2.75 into 100, what you will get? This decimal point will move 2 places to the right. So this is 1, 2. Here you will get the decimal point. So the answer will be 275 centimeter. Okay. Next, F 0.006 meter. In order to convert meter to centimeter, just multiply by 100. So 0.006 you can multiply by 100. What you will get? Decimal point will move 2 places to the right. Okay. So this is 1, 2. Here you will get the decimal point. So the answer will be 0.6 centimeter. Okay. Next, in that H 1.115 meter. So in order to express meter to centimeter, what to do? Just multiply by 100. So 1.115 into 100, what you will get? Decimal point will move 2 places to the right. So this is 1, 2. Here you will get the decimal point. That is, the answer will be 111.5 centimeter. Okay. Next topic, fundamental operations in metric measures using decimal notation. Now exercise 16b, in that first question, express in decimal notation and then add. In that A, 2 kilometer, 6 hectometer, 4 decameter, 2 meter. Then 8 kilometer, 8 decameter. Then 10 kilometer, 6 hectometer, 2 decameter, 8 meter. Okay, so you need to write this in decimal notation first. Then you have to add these three. Okay, so 2 kilometer, 6 hectometer, 4 decameter, 2 meter. You know how to write this in decimal notation. First, kilometer in number part. Before decimal, kilometer will come. So 2 point you can write. Then 10th place it will be hectometer. So 6 will come in 10th place. Now decameter you have to write in 100th place. So 4 will come in 100th place. Next meter will come in 1000th place. So 2 in 1000 place. Okay. So 2.642 kilometer it is. Okay. Among this highest unit is kilometer. So 2.642 kilometer. Okay. Next 8 kilometer, 8 decameter. In decimal notation, how can you write this? Kilometer before decimal point. So 8 point. Now after that hectometer will come. But here in the question hectometer is not given. So you have to put 0 in 10th place. Okay. Hectometer will come in 10th place. But in the question it is not given. 8 kilometer, 8 decameter only given. So 10th place digit will be 0. After that it is decameter. So that you can write 8 decameter is given. So 100th place digit will be 8. Okay. Then meters place. Meter is also not given. So you can put 0 there. Okay. So 8.080 kilometer. Next 10 kilometer, 6 hectometer, 2 decameter, 8 meter. How can you write this in decimal fraction? It is 10.628 kilometer. Okay, kilometer before decimal point. hectometer in 10th place, decameter in 100th place, meter in 1000th place. So you will get 10.628 kilometer. Now you can add these three decimal fraction. Okay, that is 2.642 plus 8.080 plus 10 point. How will you write 10? In this way. 0 in 1's place digit, 1 in 10's place digit. Okay, 10.628. Now you can add. Okay, so 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 4, 14 plus 1, 15. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13. Here point is coming. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. So this will be the answer. 21.350 kilometer. Okay. First you have to write the given numbers or given questions in decimal notation. Then you have to add that 3. Okay. Next B. 6 meter, 7 decimeter, 2 centimeter, 5 millimeter. Okay. First you have to write this in decimal notation. So you know meter will come. Meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So among this meter will come before decimal point. Okay, so 6 point. Now in 10th place it will be decimeter. Okay, so 7 in 10th place. Centimeter will come in 100th place. So 2 centimeter. 2 will come in 100th place. Okay, now millimeter. This will come in 1000th place. So 5 in 1000th place. 6.725 meter. Okay. Now 8 meter, 8 decimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 millimeter. You will get 8.866 meter. Okay. Then 10 meter, 5 millimeter. So meter will come before decimal point. So 10 point. Now here decimeter is not given. So 10th place digit will be 0. Okay. Decimeter will come in 10th place. It is not given. So in the 10th place it will be 0. Next it is centimeter. Centimeter is also not given in the question. So you can put 0 in 100th place. Okay. After that 1000th place it is millimeter. 5 millimeter is given in the question. So 1000th place digit will be 5. 10.005 meter. This will be the decimal notation of 10 meter, 5 millimeter. Okay. So we write all the given question in decimal notation. Now you can add these 3. Okay. 6.725 plus 8.866 plus 10.005. You can add. Okay. So 5 plus 5 10 plus 6 16. 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9. 8 plus 7 15. Here decimal point will come. 8 plus 6 14 plus 1 15. 1 plus 1 2. So the answer is 25.596 meter. Okay. Next E. 10 kiloliter, 8 liter, 5 kiloliter, 4 hectoliter, 6 decaliter, 5 liter, then 6 hectoliter, 2 decaliter, 9 liter. First you have to express this in decimal notation first. Okay, so 10 kiloliter, 8 liter. How can you write? Kiloliter will come before decimal point. So 10 point. Now after decimal point, 10th place it is hectoliter. Okay, but it is not given in the question, so you can put 0 in 10th place. Okay, now in 100th place it will be decaliter. That is also not given in the question. So in 100th place also you can put 0. Okay, now 1000th place it is liter. 8 liter is given in the question. So 1000th place digit will be 8. Okay. Unit it is kiloliter. 10.008 kiloliter. Okay. Now 5 kiloliter, 4 hectoliter, 6 decaliter, 5 liter. In decimal notation it will be 5.465 kiloliter. Okay. Next is 6 hectoliter, 2 decaliter, 9 liter. So here kiloliter is not given. So before decimal point it will be 0. Now after decimal point 10th place it will be hectoliter. So 6 will come in 10th place. 100th place it will be decaliter. So 2 in 100th place. Now 1000th place will be a liter. So 9 in 1000th place. 0.629 kiloliter. Okay. Now you can add these three decimal notations. So what you will get 10.008 plus 5.465 plus 0.629. Okay. Now 9 plus 5, 14 plus 8, it is 22. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. Here decimal point. Now 5 plus 1, 6. Then 1. 16.102 kiloliter. This will be the answer. Okay. Next F. 5 gram, 6 decigram, 8 centigram, 4 milligram. 15 gram 7 milligram, 6 decigram 5 milligram, 8 gram 7 centigram 2 milligram. First you have to write these in decimal notation. Okay. So 5 gram 6 decigram 8 centigram 4 milligram, in decimal notation it will be 5.684 gram. Next 15 gram 7 milligram. In decimal notation how can you write this? First gram, before decimal point you can write a gram. So 15 point. Okay. Next after gram in 10th place it will be decigram. But in the question it is not given. So you can put 0 there. Okay. Next after decigram in the 100th place it is centigram. That is also not given in the question. So you can put 0 there. Okay. Now in 1000th place it is milligram. 7 milligram is given in the question. So 7 you can write in 1000th place. Okay. So 15.007 gram. Next 6 decigram 5 milligram, in decimal notation. Gram is not given in the question. So you can put 0 before decimal point. Now after gram it is decigram. Okay, in 10th place decigram will come. 6 decigram in the question. So 6 you can write in 10th place. Okay. After that centigram will come, but it is not given in the question. So in 100th place you can put 0. Next 1000th place milligram. 5 milligram is given in the question. So 5 you can write in 1000th place. So the answer is 0.605 gram. Okay. Then 8 gram 7 centigram 2 milligram. How can you write this in decimal notation? First write a gram before decimal point. You can write a gram, that is 8 point. Okay. After that decigram, but it is not given in the question. So put 0 in 10th place. Then in 100th place centigram will come. So 7 centigram in the question. So 7 in 100th place. Next 1000th place it is milligram. 2 milligram in the question. So 2 you can write in 100th place. Okay. So that in decimal notation it is 8.072 gram. Okay. Now you can add these 4 decimal notations. So 5.684 plus 15.007 plus 0.605 plus 8.072. On adding what you will get? 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 7 14 plus 4 18. Now 7 plus 1 8 plus 8 is 16. Now 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13. Decimal point you have to put. Now 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 1 plus 1, 2. So 29.368 gram. This will be the answer. Okay. Now second question, express in decimal notation and subtract. In that A, 25 kilometer, 625 meter, from 50 kilometer, 50 meter. So 25 kilometer, 625 kilometer, you have to subtract from 50 kilometer, 50 meter. And one more thing, you have to express this in decimal notation. After that only you have to subtract. Okay. So 25 kilometer, 625 meter, how will you express in decimal notation? This kilometer you can write before decimal point. Okay, so 25 point. Now this meter, 625 meter, you can write after decimal point. Okay, so you will get 25.625 kilometer. This is the decimal notation of 25 kilometer, 625 meter. And one more thing, if the question is given in kilometer and meter and you have to convert to decimal notation, means that decimal notation should contain 3 digits after decimal point. Okay, that means this first digit, it is hectogram. You know, in between kilogram and kilometer and meter, hectometer is coming, decameter is coming, then meter. Okay, so 625 means 6 hectometer, 2 decameter and 5 meter it is. Okay, ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കിലോമീറ്ററിലും മീറ്ററിലും തന്നിട്ട് അതിനെ ഡെസിമൽ നൊട്ടേഷനിൽ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റിന് ശേഷം 3 പ്ലേസസ് വേണം. അതിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് 10th പ്ലേസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഹെക്ടോമീറ്റർ, 100th place it is decameter and third 1000th place it is meter. Okay, that's why it is told that if you are writing in decimal notation, it should contain 3 digits after decimal point. Okay, next 50 kilometer, 50 meter. If you are writing in decimal notation, means this kilometer you can write before decimal point. So 50 point. Okay, 50 meter. Here only 2 digits. I told you, if you are writing kilometer and meter in decimal notation, means it should contain 3 digits after decimal point. So how can you make this 3 digits? You can put 0 before. Okay, before you have to put 0. Don't put 0 after. Okay, before this 50 you can put 0. So 50.050 kilometer it is. Okay, so in decimal notation 50 kilometer, 50 meter will be 50.050 kilometer. Now you can subtract this 50.050 from 50.050 kilometer. You can subtract 25.625 kilometer. Okay, so subtracting you will get a 24.425 kilometer. So this is the final answer. Okay. Next B, 66 kilogram 725 gram from 92 kilogram 6 hectogram 8 gram. So this 66 kilogram 725 gram and 92 kilogram 6 hectogram 8 gram, first you have to convert to decimal notation. Okay, express in decimal notation that. And then you can subtract from 92 kilogram 6 hectogram 8 gram. From that you can subtract 66 kilogram 725 gram. Okay, so first 66 kilogram 725 gram in decimal notation, how can you write? This kilogram you can write before decimal point. Okay, so 66 point. Now gram you can write after decimal point. So 725 Unit will be kilogram. Okay, 66 kilogram, 725 gram. In decimal notation, it will be 66.725 kilogram. Now, if you are writing kilogram and gram in kilogram or in decimal notation, that decimal notation should contain 3 places after decimal point. Why? In between kilogram or from kilogram, the next place it is hectogram, then decagram, then only gram. Okay, so you can count. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 decimal places should be there after decimal point if you are writing in decimal notation. Okay, so 7 hectogram, 2 decagram and 5 gram it is. In 725 gram, the 7 hectogram, 2 decagram and 5 gram. Okay, so if you are writing kilogram and gram, the question is given in kilogram and gram. If you are writing that in decimal notation or in kilogram, means that decimal notation should contain 3 places after decimal point. Okay, next 92 kilogram, 6 hectogram, 8 gram. If you are writing this in decimal notation, means kilogram, you can write before decimal point. Next place, 10th place, it is hectogram. So 6 you can write in 10th place. Now 100th place, it is decagram. But decagram, it is not given in the question, so you can put 0. Next 8 gram, this will come. Gram will come in 1000th place. So 8 in 1000th place. Okay, 92.608 kilogram. Okay, now you can subtract from 92.608 kilogram, you can subtract 66.725 kilogram. Okay, so 92.608 minus 66.725. What you will get? Here 3, here 10, 5 here. Now 8, here 15, here 1. Now 8, here decimal point will come. Now 11, here 8. Now 6 to 11 it is 5, 6 to 8 it is 2. 25.883 kilogram. This will be the answer. Okay. Next see 125 kiloliter, 615 liter. From 145 kiloliter, 220 liter. So first you can write this in decimal notation. 125 kiloliter, 615 liter. What will come in decimal notation? It will be this kiloliter you can write before decimal point. 125 point. Now this liter you can write after decimal point. So 615, unit will be kiloliter. Okay. 125.615 kiloliter. Now here kiloliter to liter, 3 places are there. Okay, hectoliter, decaliter, then liter. So here if you are converting or expressing kiloliter and liter to decimal notation, it should contain 3 after decimal point, 3 places should be there. Okay. 3 decimal places should be there after decimal point if you are converting kiloliter and liter to decimal notation. Okay. Next 145 kiloliter, 220 liter. So in decimal notation what will come? 145 point. This kiloliter you can write before decimal point. This liter you can write after decimal point. So 220. Unit will be kiloliter. Okay. Now you can subtract 145.220 minus 125.615. Okay. So here 10, here 1. So 5 here, 0 here. Now 12, here 4. So 6 here, then decimal point is coming. This will become 14. 4 will become 3. Now 5 to 14 it is 9, 2 to 3, 1. So 19.605 kiloliter. This will be the answer. Okay. Next E, 110 meter 75 centimeter from 212 meter 20 centimeter. So first you have to write this in decimal notation. 110 meter 75 centimeter. In decimal notation, what will come? This meter part will come before decimal point. So 110 point. Now the centimeter part will come after decimal point. So 75. Now unit will be in meter. 110.75 meter. Now just look at our table. First kilometer will come. Then hectometer. Then decameter. Then meter. After that decimeter. Then centimeter. Millimeter. Okay. Here meter to centimeter. You can see 1, 2. 2 places. Okay, 2 places are there. So, if you are expressing meter and centimeter to in decimal notation, that should contain 2 places after decimal point. After decimal point, it should contain 2 places. Okay. So, here 2 digits are there. So, 110. This meter part you can write before decimal point, and centimeter part should contain 2 digits. Okay, so that 2 digits, 75. 2 digits are there, that 2 digits you can write after decimal point. Okay, so 110.75 meter. Next 212 meter 20 centimeter. If you are writing this in decimal notation, what will come? This meter part you can write before decimal point. Centimeter part you can write after decimal point. That should contain 2 digits. Here 20 centimeter is given. It contains 2 digits. So that you can write. Okay, 212.20 meter it is. Okay, now you can subtract. From 212.20 you need to subtract 110.75. Okay, now here 10, here 1. So 5 will come here. Now this will become 11. 7 to 11 it is 4. Decimal point will come. Here 1. So 1. Now 0 here. Here 1. So 101.45 unit will be meter. Okay, this will be the answer.